Right, bank reconciliations, task 10.1. Task 10.1, we have asked to do a bank reconciliation, and for the date is 31st May 2025. So let's perform the bank reconciliation. The original bank statement is being given to us. Now let's perform the bank reconciliation. Right, in order to do the bank reconciliations, we have to go. Can you see that this is B for bank, these are for reconciliations, and we need to select the right bank. So we have given NetWest Bank. So let's select the NetWest Bank, and we'll click on the reconciliation R. Now, yes, 1st of June, we have £5,000 in receipt side bank statement. Yes, then as soon as we receive the £5,000, our current balance is 5,000. We can see that 5,000. Next one, we have paid 1,500 for rent for June, so that is there. 3,005 matches with our bank statement, and cleaning 350, so 3,150, that is matches with our bank statement. And we have received 840, so that matches with 3,990 with our bank statement. And we have paid 1,200, yes, then it matches with the 2,797. 480, yes, it matches 32310. And again 660 we have received, yeah, 2970, it matches. 360 we have paid, and 2610, it matches with our bank statement. And we have received 12,300, yes, it's 12,910, which is matches. Now 1,500, next page, yes. So 11,440, yeah, 11,410, correct, which matches with the bank statement. 900 paid, and 10,510 matches with 10,510. And again 2,034, it matches with that our balance, it's 8,206. And 934, yes, it matches 73255 and 240. And yes, so we have 7,032, but we have a transaction which is in the bank statement which is not available in our transaction plus. That is the bank charges of £32. So therefore we have to enter that amount here to do the bank reconciliation. First, let's go to the bank and enter that transaction. So we can do that by going to PNR. So it's a payment, so it's a NetWest Bank. Select the bank, and P, let's select the P. It is 3, it's 1 for the payment. So 1 for the payment, and let's say it's a bank 31st of May 2025. Bank charges, enter that £32 and no VAT, it's an expense and goes to bank charges. Select the bank charges and save it. Now you can see that in your bank statement £32. Now our bank statement exactly matches with our bank statement. So now you can give select on reconciliations, right? So 15 entries are selected, the closing balance and statement being reconciled, £7,000 and 55 pence. Click on dollar button. Can you see that dollar button below? So this is the button, reconcile it. Statement 31st of May 2025. Statement number, let's give statement number. What's the statement number we have? Right, it is not there, so we can give the statement number 101. Okay, that's a 101. Give okay. That's it. So bank reconciliation is done.